हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे। और कल के इंग्लिश लिटरेचर का जो आईसीएसई का एग्ज़ाम था, बहुत अच्छा से आप लोगों ने दिया होगा। ये जो आईसीएसई के 2025 के जो कल इंग्लिश लिटरेचर का जो एग्ज़ाम था, वो काफ़ी ईजी था और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग पेपर था। और जैसे हम लोगों ने एक्सपेक्ट किया था, कुछ क्वेश्चन वैसे ही है। सो आई वुड लाइक, yesterday I was too busy and couldn't upload the video for my YouTube audience, but I was very much excited to upload the videos as soon as I get the time, and today I've got the time to upload this video to share it with my YouTube audience. So my students were very excited, happy, and they came out of the examination hall with smiling faces. And the MCQs, what they replied me, the MCQs were very easy, except one or two wrong here and there, and otherwise the set of questions, whatever they have attempted, they have like what they said to me, once they started their pens at 11 and they stopped exactly at 1 without lifting up their heads and without lifting up their pens, they continuously were in a flow of writing. That means their preparation was quite good, and most of all what we expected, that surely came, except one lesson, that is the Glove and the Lion, which I had never expected that it would be coming, because the Glove and the Lion, the lesson, it is taught in standard 6, 7 and 8 as well. So I was not expecting that. I found it as a easy lesson to be given as a board, but that they had given. But yes, what I suggested to my students, that Act 3 questions may come from Act 3, and from Act 5 exactly that game, exact questions from Act 3 and that is from Julius Caesar Shakespeare. It came from Act 3 and from Act 5, and also this was for sure that we were expecting question from the last lesson, and it exactly came. And even the elevator came, and yes, the spec, and two of my students said that they're not expecting spec, but I was of the opinion that they will give spec as a spec, because the considerable spec, it had like a human touch in that lesson. So I don't know what opinion the people who set the question paper, what ideas they have in their mind while writing down the question paper for the boards. And that even I am into it, but I have my different opinion of giving a question paper. But exactly what we expected came in the question paper. The same lessons came, except the Glove and the Lion. The rest all matched with what we had expected. So the question paper was up to our expectation, and MCQs, like I had made my students practice a lot. So the toughest of the MCQs that I gave them, so what the question paper that they got was the easiest for them. Still they are of the opinion that one or two can be wrong here and there. Yesterday I was too busy, so I couldn't get the time to upload the video and to work out your MCQ answers. But today I have worked out yesterday evening only I worked out the MCQ answers, but I couldn't share it with you. So now I've got the time to share it with you. All the English Literature ICSE 2025 MCQ answers, I've planned it, I've worked out, and I will be presenting to you shortly. Yes friends, one more thing, that I hope even my YouTube audience, even their yesterday's paper must have been good, and please do share your it is your opinion about the question paper in my comment section, so that it will be a boost for the other students as well. Not only for though English literature and English language exams are over, so you're done with 9 and 10 English, now you'll be focusing on all your other subjects. But it will be if you give your opinion about the question paper in my comment section, then it will boost the spirits of the students, of the other students who are following my channel. Yes friends, if you do like my channel, and then please like and share with your friends. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel up till now, then what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe to my channel and help my channel to grow. And do let me know in the comment section as to what kind of videos you would like me to upload it for you. Still, yeah, like Hindi, history, geography, all these exams are still left. So if I can provide you with any kind of help, I will surely share it with you, as I as I guide my students. I share it with my students. I will definitely guide you people also through my YouTube channel. Okay, let me share the answers with you. So it was like we had the pleasure and the pain together yesterday, because the pain was of leaving Julius Caesar. That is, we have been attached with Julius Caesar for the last 2 years. 9 and 10 fell in love with the characters. So it was a pain to leave that subject, or to leave that play, not to be read anymore in the normal classes like we used to conduct. And as well as the treasure chest, that the stories we were connected with the characters, with Martin, with Ojoa, with Mead, Mr. Mead. So we were connected with the characters, and we were connected with the poetic imagination. We were driven with the poetic imagination given by the flown by the poets in the poems. We were there in their imaginative world. All of a sudden we have come to a pause, we have come to a standstill. Definitely, whenever you stop something, then when you will stop, then only you will begin something new. So that's a part of life. It's a cycle and it's a channel, and we have to flow with the flow. We should flow with the flow. So it's part of journey, and we have to give a pause to something to start something new. Okay. And the pleasure, that was the pain of leaving the books and the chapters, and the pleasure was that we are bidding bye, and no more we'll be doing those writing content, writing the answers, writing the content, solving out the MCQs, and working out giving explanation of the extracts, making out meanings of the poem, poetic lines, poetic devices. Definitely we'll be doing that in 11 12 as well, but for the time period, it's like a pleasure living that also. So pain and pleasure goes hand in hand, again sides of the same coin. Okay, a lot of emotional attachment. Especially the English teachers, they were emotionally attached, not only with their subjects but with the students as well. Okay, we'll meet soon once again with the new Shakespeare, with new English, with new poems, with new stories very soon. The time flies. It will fly just like that. Okay. Let me share the answers with you, the most important for which I planned this video for you people. So I'll sharing this answers with you, MCQ answers of English Literature 2025. The first question, I don't have the question paper with me. My student sent me on the WhatsApp. So, but I have planned out the answers. Only the answers I'm sharing. Definitely the question paper is with you. You can tally your answers along with me. So the MCQ's first question is, whatever the question was, the correct option is D. The second one, the correct option is A. The third one, the correct option is B. The fourth one, the correct option is D. The fifth one, the correct option is C. The sixth one, the correct option is D. The seventh one, the correct option is C. The eighth one, the correct option is D. The ninth one, the correct option is D. The 10th one, the correct option is B. The 11th one, the correct option is A. The 12th one, the correct option is C. The 13th one, the correct option is A. The 14th one, the correct option is C. The 15th one, the correct option is B. And the 16th one, the correct option is A. This is what I worked out the answers. Do comment me in the comment section if your answer is tallying with me, and or if there is any mistake, do share it with us also, because if you comment me in the comment section, then it's a help for the other students also, that they could also tally their answers with them, to give a kind of satisfaction to them. After the examination hall, when the students come out, they want to share the answers, and some are excited to share the answers, but there are many others who are not interested in sharing the answers at that point of time, but later when they come back home, they want someone to share the answers along with. So through my channel, it will be a great help for such students. Okay friends, so I'll give a pause to my video here. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye. And yes, please study, work hard, utilize your time, because it's a gap of 10 days for maths, but utilize each and every moment and day and time of yours, because it's quite precious. And best of luck for your next exam, the forthcoming exam. And yes, that is my favorite logo, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Stay tuned, stay connected. Bye bye.